Hello again and welcome to Ndudu by Fafa. I'm sure you're wondering what kind of jelly-like thing is this. Then again, you know you are tuned into the Ndudu by Fafa cooking channel. You do not want to miss this. So what is it about? It's about my Koobi stock. Yes, what's Koobi? Koobi is this salted and dried tilapia that has this umami taste and it's quite salty. But guess what? I'm going to extract that amazing distinctive Koobi flavor by making a stock. Of course, I'll be using the fish for another recipe for another day. But this is how you make your ingredients go a long way. So of course, naturally, I'm adding my water because that's what the stock is about, just so I can allow that infusion to take place. Now it's quite salty, so I've used about 2 liters of water here. And to that, I'm going to be adding my infusions. Simple, but I'm adding my onions and I'm using my shallots here. You can use any normal onions that you do have available. And then I'm adding some garlic. So 3 cloves of garlic, as you can see here. The next thing is I'm adding some habanero chili, my rosemary, huintian, which is also known as the grains of saline, which is the black little strands you can see there, and a little bit of dried thyme. Absolutely. So what I love about this is, and especially the inclusion of the habanero chili, it adds this aromatic flavor. And when, it boils, it sort of like, curbs that distinctive, slightly smelly flavor or smell of the Koobi. It does mask it, absolutely. But the flavor is just incredible. So you then simmer this on a very low heat for about 25 minutes. And then I just transfer the juice into a bowl and I placed it in the fridge. Now the next day when I took it out, it had this jelly-like look to it, but equally packed with flavor. Once it melts, it just turns back into the stock, absolutely. And I've used it for a recipe that is coming up tomorrow. Hence why I have uploaded this video. So you need to watch this so you can understand exactly what I'll be making tomorrow. Yes, naturally I'll leave the list of ingredients and measurements on my blog in ndudubyfafa.blogspot.com. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter as Ndudu by Fafa. Noel, thank you for my theme song. And until next time, you take care of you, be nice, be beautiful, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Toodles.